Hello, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Thank you for watching our channel and very much for your support. Right, for today's Synology unboxing, I'll be opening up a RS2421RP Plus. Okay, so what does the RP stand for? It means redundant power. So for this particular rack storage, it has actually an additional power supply, which I will show you and stress it out to you. Okay, and of course the usual advantages. Right, so this is a 12-bay rack mount. Right. And as usual, what it has is basically written on the data sheet, and mainly we want to look at is on the unit itself. Okay, so let's move on to unbox the unit itself and let's see what we have. Okay, so okay, so up here we have the RS2421RP Plus. Okay, it has a 12-bay unit, all right, and the indicators are in the front. All right, now for the back, okay, let me stress more on the back of the unit. Right, here is where you see there's two PSU. All right, so what happens is, in case if there's any failure on one of the PSU, the second PSU will be kicked in. All right, so these are active. You will have to basically plug in both power cords at the same time to use it. If you're missing either one, all right, the unit will beep. Okay, it will inform you that one of your power supplies are not in. Okay, so that's very, very important. Other than that, for the 12-bay units, it tends to come with 4 gigabit ports. Okay, and of course there is the expansion where you can have an add-on like the M2D20, where you can add on SSD, or you can have the E10 where you can have a 10 gig port with the SSD. Okay, those you can see my video where I have 2 different videos on how to install them and how to actually install also the M.2. Okay, be very, very specific. You have to use Synology M.2 NVMe SSDs. Okay, or else the DSM 7.1 will recognize that you're not using the original Synology M.2. It will not perform as it should be. Okay, especially for the 2021 series, for 8 TBs and above hard drives, it's recommended that you have to use Synology hard drives. Okay, anything below 8 TB, please refer to the compatibilities. Okay, it will tell you which are the hard disks that's compatible. If you are not using a compatible hard disk, the DSM storage manager will inform you that the drives are unverified, and it will show up as a red indicator. Okay, so be very, very careful about that. Alright, so other than that, this is a very quick run through on the unit itself, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment and write in the video, and I will definitely be there to answer for you. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.